Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I will continue to solve the small challenges found on LinkedIn from Excel BI profile. I've selected another three, so let's go into it. The first one is about this kind of pattern. So you're given a list of digits and characters and you need to sort them in such a fashion that alphabets occupy all odd positions and numbers occupy even position in the order in which they appear. If alphabets or numbers run out, then no need to follow the rule, I guess. So let's copy this into my Excel worksheet and let's try to solve with this simple model. So sequence of 9. Yes, so this will be 1, will be the X lookup of this here. Okay. I will lay out these by single characters. Okay. Minus not is error number value this will separate the numbers from the come on, the numbers from the non-numbers. Also, I would like to say if this equals blank, it's blank, otherwise it's that, so I can scale it for a given number of cells. Then I will go let's, so will be a filter of this where this equals 0. Why? But anyway, we'll lock the column. Numbers, it will be same but equaling 1. Maybe let's say if not is error this thing, it means it's a number, otherwise it's a letter. So let's will be L and numbers would be N. Fantastic. So the brief was alphabets occupy all odd and numbers occupy all even. So sequence of len of this. Well, actually, what if I say this 1, then this 1 plus 2, and this is 2, and it's the same thing. Then I want to vstack this and this. Then I want to filter this based on this. It's not empty. Not 0. Okay, and I want to sort it based on this, based on sort index, which is 2 ascending. and I want to concat take of this all the rows first column. Okay, seems right. Let's see if this works. So W580R78 3 VI, okay, weld. Okay, in this case I don't have the numbers. What is an error of nothing? No. If I say this is an error of nothing. Okay. 6 mascot airline seems right, and book seems right, and this weird thing in the end seems right as well. Okay, so this is it, I will say. So let's move to the next one, which is palindrome word. Is that which is same, even read backwards. Find the palindrome words of an alphabet if an alphabet from a single position is removed from the words. Example nx un, where if position 2x is removed it becomes nun, which is a palindrome. Okay. Okay, that's not exactly so straightforward, potentially. Let's see. So I want my usual sequence of 9. I'm going to XLOOKUP as before. Okay. Do I need to check for all the possible letters to be skipped? So what if I do a sequence of len of this? So I have 5 words. I could do mid of this lock. Star number is this +1. I will drop that. I will drop that. So in the first case I will drop the first but keep all the others. In the middle I will drop to drop first set and last set. So true drop will be the mid of this thing. Lock is this. So those are the letters to drop. The first set, for the first one will be empty. will just be the last set, and so the remaining. So if this equals 1, it will be nothing, otherwise it will be the left of this this minus 1. Yes. The last set will be if this equals to the len of this, it will be nothing, otherwise it will be right of this lock len of this minus this, potentially. Seems right. So we'll do a concat of this. Palindrome will be I need to reverse this, so it will be the concat sorry, of mid of this. Starting number will be sequence of len of this, starting from len of this minus 1. Okay, and then check minus this equals this. Okay, and so I'm going to if error filter this where this equals 1, otherwise nothing. Okay, and yeah. Let's see. If error, that's nothing, and if error, that's nothing. Okay, so pip is palindrome. Okay, I have both actually, so I can transpose this and say I want a text join of comma space and transpose of this. Okay. Okay, 4 is nothing. Rotator. Well, I need a unique as well. Bicol, yes. Redivider. Okay. Yeah, I think it works. That's nice. Okay, let's move to the last one, which is a Cyclops number. A Cyclops number is a number that has a 0 in the center, so it needs to have odd number of digits. The 0 should not appear anywhere else other than in the center. A palindromic number is a number which is same even when read from backwards. Find a list of the first 1000 palindromic Cyclops numbers. Okay. The problem is that 133 millions is the answer. So if I do this through a model, I will not be able to compute such a large number of potential candidates, because the physical limit of Excel will be reached. So either I will do this with an array formula, a single one solution formula, or I will stop at maybe the first 100 numbers and that's it, because the first 100 is 1 million actually. Yes, so still very big, but doable in Excel. So maybe let's do the first 50 numbers, which is 54,000. So that's designed to, of course, go beyond the logics, the limits of Excel with an array formula. But for the purpose of building the algorithm, honestly, I don't care, because the algorithm will be still the same. Then let's see if I can make it with an array formula. So let's see, I have a sequence of 60,000 numbers, which should be enough. First check is minus len is odd len of this. So that's the first check I need to do. The second check is that I need to have a 0 in the middle. So it means that well, what does middle mean? Because if that's a bit lost, odd number of digits. Okay, so if I have a three digits number, the second one will be my 0 to check. If I have a 5-digit number, for example 11011, will be one of those. It's the third, so it will be 101 1011 1110 111 will be 7. So len of this, and 0 position will be 2 3 4. Yes, so it's actually len minus 1, len minus 2, len minus 3, and so on. Maybe with 5 digits I will only need to stop here, but the sequence will go on, because 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1, it will be at which is 9 digits number, will be at 5th position. So it's basically n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. What if I do mod of this with 2? No, of course not. So it'll be plus the position in an odd sequence, because if I have 3 5 7 9 11, it will be this minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Yes. So odd number digits, position of 0 needs to be the len of this minus the match of the len of this here, 0. So for example, for it will be in second position, third position. And that's it, because I'm not going above that, but okay, for the purpose of having this. Okay, so zero check, mid, minus mid of this, star number will be this, number choice will be this, equal 0. And minus, because I need to convert to number. I will throw an if error which says 0. So for example, 101 should return at 0, okay, so also this, but the 0 needs to be exactly there and not another one. So let's call it other zeros. If I do a len of this, minus ln of substitute of this with 0, nothing. So that will be the numbers of zeros I have. That's interesting. No, it's clearly wrong because it needs to be done on this one. Okay. Okay, and so I will need to say that I want this to be 1, otherwise it's not valid, and the 1 should be exactly that other one. So minus this thing equals 0, sorry, equals 1. So 100 doesn't match, this matches, okay? And so final 0 check, it means it's the product of these two. So for example, this matches, and then I just need to check this to be same when reversed. So pal will be, well, I will copy exactly the previous one I did. So it will be this, this. Okay. 1101, okay. And so we'll have a pal check. Minus this equals this. Let's call this number. I don't know why I didn't copy this. Okay. And then overall check needs to be this. Oh, needs to be this times this, I think. And so I can filter this based on this equals 1. Fantastic. So 101 should match. Why it does not? Of course, I'm comparing a number to a string, so D4, J4 needs a minus. So 101 only? Okay. 202, 303, 404. Let's copy some numbers. 60,000 I should have everyone, so let's take those. Yeah, seems right. So yeah, that's right. So it was a very nice one. Okay, I will stop the video for today, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.